Kikoff builds credit by giving you a small installment-style credit account and reporting your payments to the major credit bureaus while you pay it off over time. That reporting activity is what can help establish a credit history if you don't already have much. By the end, you'll know how Kikoff actually reports to your credit file, what it does well for beginners, where it falls short, and who should avoid it completely. Kikoff is designed for people with thin or no credit history. You sign up, get a small credit line inside the app, and use it to make simple purchases or payments. The key detail is that Kikoff reports your payment activity to credit bureaus, which is what helps build your credit profile over time. It's not about getting a traditional credit card with spending power. It's about creating consistent payment history that shows up on your credit report. What this means in practice is that Kikoff only helps if you actually use it and make payments on time. Credit scoring systems care heavily about payment history, so even small, routine payments can matter. But there's a limit here. Since the account is structured and controlled inside the app, it doesn't behave like a normal credit card that grows with you, or gives you flexible spending. That means it can help you start, but it won't carry your credit journey forever. The downside is that Kikoff is narrow in what it does. It focuses on building installment credit history, not teaching you how to manage revolving credit like a standard credit card. If your goal is to qualify for major credit cards or loans later, you'll eventually need to graduate to other products that show more complex credit behavior. So who is it actually for? Kikoff makes the most sense if you're starting from zero credit or rebuilding after a setback, and you want something simple that reports activity without requiring a traditional approval process. It is less useful if you already have established credit or want something you can actively spend on. The bottom line is simple. Kikoff can help you create a basic credit footprint, but it works best as a starting tool, not a long-term solution. To move forward, check your current credit profile first, then decide if you actually need a starter product or if you're already ready for a standard secured or unsecured credit card. If this breakdown helped, like and subscribe for more clear comparisons that cut through the confusion.